Alright guys, we're back at the race factory with Justin.
What's going on, y'all?
Because last time we were here,
we were holding the Cars and Coffee to celebrate the partnership between Turn 8 and Race Factory. But right now, it's all about me because we actually dropped off my car last time I was here to have a lot of work done to prep for the 2024 season, which should be around March. So we're like jam-packed with stuff, and we're gonna see what's going on inside the shop. Hopefully you can see something cool.
oh, the mountain of tires.
Exactly. So yeah, as you can see, my car is on the rack, and Evan is over there working. Ooh, pretty. And it looks like
we got the gas tank off.
Yeah, we're saving weight everywhere. And now we have a radium spare tire fuel cell, which has just been mounted, so now it's all secure. And then we're gonna run the filler neck soon and all the wiring, and then we should be good to go to actually fill up and run it with fuel. We're getting rid of the EVAP system completely. We're gonna bypass it. Hopefully it doesn't throw that many codes. And we're also doing if you come over here, we're doing a coolant overflow tank removal. So this blocks a ton of air, right? Airflow, and it sits behind the radiator, and we have, you know, the vent inside the hood, and all this air gets trapped because of this. So we're gonna take this out completely. We're gonna do a custom one, which Evan is actually putting together. Also made by Radium.
We came right on time.
Exactly.
Evan, can you walk us through the process?
This is kind of an interesting part from Radium. It's a two-piece coolant tank, actually, so it's kind of interesting. There's actually a gasket in there, some bolts, so we just bolted it together. Basically just getting the assembly done on this guy so we can get it mounted up and see where it's gonna sit, see what we need to do for plumbing the line, stuff like that. But yeah, for now, just trying to get it buttoned up. You know, comes in pieces like a little puzzle. All sorts of fittings, tubes, nuts. Radium gives you everything you need.
All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much of a pain of an ass has Justin been?
Justin? Pain in the ass?
As a customer? As a customer? Or
maybe a 6? Nah.
A 6? Bro, those are...
I'm trying to be mean.
Those are rookie numbers, man. We gotta pump that up.
Exactly.
I'm gonna pump those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers in this racket.
So, to speak to what Evan is actually putting together, as you saw, the batteries are already located in the trunk. And so it usually sits here in the front. But now we have all this room. We can move all these lines, and we can actually place...
Plus room for activities?
Yeah, room for activities. We're gonna place that actual coolant overflow tank in this area here. It'll be tucked away just above the steering ECU. And it should be good as gold. But yeah, we're going through it. There's a bunch of stuff that we're gonna end up changing.
Should we show that, or California law? No, I'm just kidding.
No, this is dedicated race car. It's all good now.
Full race car.
It's full race car.
No, yeah, stop the roof here.
I'm trailering. Yeah, no, I'm not worried about. I'm not worried about stay rev. Yeah, no, it's no longer a street car. So we're good to go there. But what's left on the interior is to cover up the holes that the previous or OEM gas tank left. And so we're gonna figure that out. Maybe have some custom carbon fiber pieces made by Brian Hernandez, my carbon fiber guy. And then also we are going to be doing the rear doors. Those should be going away, and then we'll see something very special coming.
The rear doors are going away, so does that mean Turn 8's going away?
that part of Turn 8's going away for sure. But yeah, so we're already good. And as you can see, the big wang gang is completely gone. No more chassis mounted wing, but that's another surprise. We are going to have a version 4 wing for the new time
Wing
attack
4.0.
season. Wing 4.0. That's what we're going to do. But yeah.
So where are the holes that you gotta?
They're actually on the inside. I'm going to actually show them to you. Evan, I can open this, right?
Yeah.
Big gaping hole right there. and they match on both sides. So they just...
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, exactly.
This kind of stuff.
For the fuel pump and EVAP, and the fuel return line. So we're gonna get those covered up with something spectacular and lightweight, and then we should be good to go. No more gaping hole in the underbody of the vehicle. But it also should help to move all that weight from the previous gas tank from the middle of the vehicle to the rear of the vehicle on top of the rear wheels.
Consistent sub twos.
let's
Thunderhill
hope.
East.
Yeah, that's my only sub 2 thus far. The goal is to 155 over at Button Willow. That should be interesting. To 136 over at Laguna Seca, and I still have yet to try Sonoma. I'm gonna get out there.
Oh, Sonoma's fun.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay, I'll take your word for it.
I love it.
No, I'm not gonna take your word for it. I gotta get out there, especially with this car. But yes, no, I'll be trailering from here on out. It's gonna be a fun day. But yeah, that's what's going on for right now. Thank you guys very much for checking us out. We're not ending it.
Well, you said carbon fiber. How much carbon fiber do you have?
Oh, well, I got a carbon fiber trunk thus far. You guys have seen the carbon fiber hood. I am going carbon fiber rear doors and roof. So it should be interesting.
Who's gonna do all that?
That is going to be molded by, the rear doors are going to be molded by Brian Hernandez, and the roof is going to be done by JMA Racing, who's an awesome Canadian guy, a French-Canadian guy on the East Coast, I think Quebec. But yeah, it'll be super cool. It's going to be super awesome.
All right, now you can.
Oh, now we can end it. So yeah, so thank you very much for taking the time out to check what's going on with my track car, the ISF version God knows what. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.